Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Akash and I'm creating my own indie game. If you are interested, you can check it out in the link in the description. And I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you are safe in this summer. It's extremely hot in India and it's a little bit moderate where I live in. I live in Pune. It's a little bit better, but I feel for you. I have been there. So let's talk art block. What is art block? If you are someone who come from your office or from studies but don't feel like working at all, or if you have been working so hard for so long time and now you feel like you're not interested in it anymore for some time, it's good. No worries. This happens with everyone. This is called art block. Every artist have to face it. It's like periods. I'm sorry. Okay. So that will happen if you have been burning yourself constantly. I'm sorry, but it's inevitable. you must have seen it coming. So let's talk about it. How you can minimize it, how you can avoid it. You cannot avoid it completely. There will be a time when you won't feel like working at all for some days, for maybe a month or so. Don't let that ruin you. Don't make it a habit. So art block. If you are stuck in your work and you come from somewhere, from a break or some place like office or from your studies, and you don't feel like that you wanted to work today, or you don't want that retopo really to do today, that's fine. That is again a part of the art block. What you can do to avoid this art block? First, if you have been constantly working on it, you should go out, travel. Believe me, it helps. You need a break. Yes, explore new places, maybe new cultures, and to get fresh perspective of things. You will get a break, you will meet new people, you will get to learn a lot of things. Go out and travel, and then when you come back, you will find that one thing is that you missed the process that you have been doing. Second is you will take out some more because you have not been working on it for some time, and now you know that the people are moving forward and you have to finish it, otherwise you will be behind. Anyways, it's not a race. You can take your time but go and travel out. It's important to have a break. Okay, number 2, change mediums. Explore with different mediums. If you have been working on sculpting, let's say if you have been working on sculpting, you should change the medium for some time. Let's say you can introduce sketching in your life. Different tools. You won't get to do undos. That's a different challenge. So yeah, changing the medium. If you are someone who enjoys music, why don't you try to create one? If you have no interest, then find something else. Try writing a story. Try writing a poem. I'm not that much interested in poem, but I like stories, so I create stories. And I have, as you know, I am already creating a game which have a great story, and I already have 2-3 stories ready for future games, hopefully. Yes, I'm not gonna stop. Okay, so yeah, change of medium is very important. If you are stuck with one medium, try changing it. Not just digitally, do it something physical. Change the medium of your art form. Okay. Third, set small goals. Set small goals for yourself which are achievable to keep yourself motivated. Also, after these goals, you should gift yourself something. Even a chocolate will work, so that you will have something to look upon. Like you have a task, a really small task, but you wanted to do it because you will get something at the end. I'm not sure what, but you have to decide. So set small goals. Don't set very huge, humongous tasks for you to achieve. Like Don't make it become impossible. Make it achievable, small. Maybe break your big goals into small ones and keep rewarding yourself. Because what happens if you set too huge of a task is you will lack a little bit of motivation behind that, because it takes a long time in the beginning. If it's something for your office, I'm not at all talking about office, you have to do it, it's your job, that's what you get paid for. Okay, so it's all about your personal work, it's all about your personal life. If you are stuck in somewhere, it's about the art block. So break it into small goals, reward yourself, and maybe start with simple goals. Like if you want to create a character, just create a face and you're done. Change the piece, you don't have to finish that character, you are done for the character. Then, or you want to create a full character, just create a costume, just create the t-shirt, that's fine, but make it refined and gift yourself something like a samosa. Number 4, use art prompts. What do you mean by that? In this one, you may think like I am telling you to take help of AI. No, there are several websites where you can take suggestions of what to make. Like they will tell you some ideas of what to make. You just have to describe, give me some art challenges. It will say you from text, use ChatGPT for that, simple. So tell him that you want a challenge or you want some few prompts to make character for. So it will say that make a character for a guild type RPG based game, which is the main character is from village, have to upgrade, etc, etc, etc. I hope you get the point. You can also use your prompts to generate ideas if you want to create something new. Cool. Number 5, try new techniques. You can try new techniques and ideas which you haven't explored yet. What do I mean by that? If you have been modeling in 3D for long and you thought that you have enough of those hard surface modeling, you wanted to move to organic, why not? This is the time. If you are stuck in your hard surface, you should move on to organic sculpting. Get a basic understanding of ZBrush or some other software. Blender works fine. If you are stuck with something like characters, you have been making character for so long, what can you change after that? Because that may contain some of the high polys of hard surface as well as organic stuff. What I have done, I completely changed my stream. I became a game developer now, but I have been professionally working for characters. Now I have to create code as well as music, as well as graphics, as well as environment. What you can do, you can only switch your character style to create something like you can try environment. It's a great stuff. It's a great feel to try to learn some things, try to implement tile-level textures, how to do that. Characters sometimes become simple if you don't know. You may find the environments are simple. If you think like that, I beg to differ and I challenge you to try that. Okay, or you can just go ahead and try some different kind of prop or a separate kind of character. If you have been creating stylized character, you can change the style and create something like stylized character. If you have been creating realistic, change it to stylized, or maybe change it to alien, create a dinosaur, change your style. That might be able to help you with the art block. Number 6, change mediums. You can change medium by changing your tools to build that autonomy. If you have been, as I said, if you have been working digitally, you can change the medium and start blocking it out on a paper. Number 7, organize your workspace. Yes, that's very important. You have been eating on your keyboard, avoid that. That makes a mess and that will ruin your mood. If you feel like you are someone high of an introvert, which I am, but I like to keep my place neat and clean, so you can do that. Try it. If you have been eating on your workplace, don't do that. If you have been stepping on your keyboard, don't do that. So organize your workspace, don't make a mess out of it. Have a Sunday for your computer to organize your wires and cables, everything, and make it neat and clean, make it presentable, make it welcoming. You feel like, oh my god, the computer is calling me, let me go there and maybe play something. Yeah, that's again one kind of treatment for your art block. To make your workplace welcoming, have a, if you want to spend something, if you're planning to make a setup, have a certain theme. Maybe that might work, because that makes it a little bit minimalistic and make it clutter free. Yeah, if you have been using colors, if you like it, you can go ahead and have a pink CPU, white monitor, black keyboard, whatever works for you. If it works for you, because this thing is very subjective, if it works for you, it works for you. Cool. Also, yeah, playing games can be a good break. If you haven't been doing it, I suggest you play games and observe the things that they have been doing in the game, what they are trying to convey. Don't just kill and go ahead or kill time, pass your time. Don't know. It's the games have been made for purpose. So there's certain thing that the developer or the creator or the director of the game want to convey. If you get that, that's a nice thing. And but one big but is, don't think about it too much. Just do it. Number 8 is avoid comparison. Focus on your work, and I would suggest do not compare it with other artists on ArtStation, on Instagram, etc., etc., etc. So you will feel like, damn, I posted it too early, or something like, I should have worked on it a little bit more. I should have worked on it more better. I shouldn't have posted it on this time. My god, I didn't get so much like, and those guys got so many likes, this, that. There are a lot of factors that depends on how your work is portrayed, or how famous will your work go during that time. It also depends on the time zone where you post. It also depends on the following that they already have, or if you have already been posted on, if you have already posted on ArtStation and then somebody else posted but they got more traffic. Why? Because they must have posted somewhere else. They must have a group, they must have a Discord like I have if you want to join. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. So avoid comparison. It's you that you should compare of. Is your current artwork better than the last one that you posted? If it is, you succeeded, no problem. If it is not, you need to work more on the next one. And it happens. It happened with me that my current artwork is not better than the last one, because it simply differs the genre. In genre, it is in different art style or something like that. But if you think that in this one you learned something new, you learned a lot of things, then it's good, no? To just get it out, because you got the knowledge what you wanted. But the guy who have been posting the same thing again and again and again may get a lot more likes, but it's just monotonous. So yeah, avoid comparison. Best way, compare it with yourself only. Okay. Number 9, what you can do? Something new, something physical. Exercise regularly. Yes, I have read it somewhere or heard it from somewhere. If your 3 days are passing by continuously without working out or doing something physical, it's not a good sign. Yeah. So don't let 3 straight days pass by without doing any physical work, without exercising. Physical activity can boost creativity and improve overall well-being. Okay. It makes you feel less lethargic. So work out regularly. It will keep your mind clear, and it will make you have a good night's sleep. Yes, which is very important. Having good night's sleep. So yeah, exercise sometimes. Go out, go for a walk, go for a run on weekdays or whenever you get time. Even on weekend, play badminton. I play cricket. I go for a walk daily. So that's there. You can try that. Number 10 and the last point, I don't know if you are into it, but well, I am not doing it, but I can suggest it. It's a good thing. I have been doing it in past, but I did in past, but now I don't know. I don't get time a lot to meditate, and that's the 10 point. Meditate. that makes your mind more clearer, and it might give you different ideas to work on. Believe me, it does. So yeah, meditate, and these are the 10 points that I wanted to give to avoid you from getting art blocks. I hope this helps. I hope any of the point helped you. If it does, make sure to give it a like. It helps, and it will help this video to reach more people. And yeah, if you are interested in if you are interested in checking out my game, the link is in the description. Wish list is highly appreciated. And yeah, I have been working on it for some times, and it's still a long way to go. So yeah, if that's something that interests you, if it's a third-person cat game, I will see you there on Steam. And yeah, more videos come soon. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye. Also, make sure to join the Discord. There are 2 Discords that I run. One is Art Life Discord, which is solely related to the arts and the feedbacks, how to improve your art, etc, etc. I host challenges there as well. New challenge coming soon, by the way. And second Discord is called Crazy Pause Game, which is my company which creates games. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.